So I'm Ian Lee with PLS, and we provide critical business intelligence to the oil and gas industry specifically. We've been doing that for over 20 years, based out of Houston with analysts around the world. And we have a number of one-in-class products which allow our clients to do research or track and keep up to date with international events very efficiently, as well as track mergers and acquisitions and new farming opportunities. We also have an advisory wing, so that we cover the full range of information needs in oil and gas, and we're very happy to be here at your Oil Council event here in Singapore. So I've personally attended your event in Cape Town and in London, and this Singapore, this Asia Pac event is a great opportunity to get a feel for where the market's going in Asia. So I've made some good connections so far, and enjoyed the keynote speech this morning. Thought that was very, very high quality, and enjoyed the panel speaker comments. So keep up the good work. Thank you. Yeah.